My time at mines was totally new to me. It was a way to satisfy my curiosity in an area that I had never been exposed to before. It was a lot of new information from the best of the best.
My time at mines has been exciting, it's been fun and rewarding. Exciting because I've built very good friendships that I think I'm going to carry for the rest of my life. It's been fun because solving problems is what we do. All digger just means digging deeper. As long as you find fun and excitement in solving problems, then I think mines is the place to be.
Coming out of the Air Force Academy with my job being a developmental engineer, I wasn't going to be in the lab that much. So this is my opportunity to stay in and learn a little bit more.
I loved how Colorado School of Mines has such an emphasis on how do we look at society and our earth, and how do we look at how do they interact.
I saw mines as an opportunity to kind of rub shoulders with engineers, scientists, mathematicians, and others that I wouldn't necessarily interact with in my previous program and in the industry I was working in.
My major focus has been on geologic hazards.
I work on polymer whole transport materials for perovskite solar cells.
Improving the health and safety of mine workers.
International renewable energy policy and renewable energy partnerships between the Middle East and North Africa and Europe specifically. Mines really stands out as a school that has strong ties with industry. It was actually through the career fair that I was able to interview and get an internship with a company I really liked this summer, and I'm going to go back and work for them full-time after graduation.
My time in mines was fun, but it was a grind. I would say that.
Like, a lot of people are doing stuff that you can't do anywhere else in the country. The ability to do things that you're not going to be able to do anywhere else can really drive you into wanting to do more.
My time at mines has been like studying under a master bridge builder, and you're learning how to build a bridge over the river of the undiscovered and the unknown. You're picking up these different tools, you're learning how to work them, and you're starting to put the bridge together. At the end of it, when you're able to pull yourself up and you're able to look over that bridge, you realize that you now have the opportunity to cross over and start to applying that in the real world and discovering something that can have real impact.